Hello, it's Deborah from the attic, and I've got the latest Your Creative Studio subscription box, which I'm going to unveil for you and then show you a little bit of inspiration at the end for ways that you can use the contents. This is a subscription box, comes out monthly, it's curated beautifully by Amanda. I'll provide all the details below the video in the read more section, so just click on the read more button and that will open up everything below. And if you haven't, please go and subscribe to the channel and have a look through some of the other playlists and see if you can get some inspiration from the hundreds of videos that I have on my channel. But for now, let's dive in. I'm going to start with this. This looks as if these could be, it's either going to be washi tape or it's going to be dots. This is dots. So, oh, that's quite... Okay, so we've got the dots now. Oh, that's nice, in varying shades of pink. So they're individual dots that you can pull off, as you can see here, with the little strip that has been holding everything together. This looks as if it's going to be glue, I think. Yes, it's one of these, it's like a glue runner. You can see from the two round bobbins on the inside. Unscrew the top. I've got a bit of scrap paper here. Ah, nice. It's a glue in the form of a little row of glue dots. And it's pretty strong as well. This is washi tape. I'm going to be careful as I open up these envelopes because these are actually very useful if you want to use them in projects. They're very sturdy and they're very robust. Oh, that's very pretty. It's an old-fashioned rose. I love the colours of that. This is a beautiful package. I love this closure. Let's see. You always get so many pieces in each of these packets. So these are almost like bookmarks, but they're tall. Some of them are perforated. This one is perforated at the bottom here. Oh, this book belongs to. And they're in two different colours. So you've got a nice cream and you've got a sepia vintagey colour here as well. These are beautiful. Oh, look at that, like tickets, and then some different shapes as well. Loads and loads of those. Oh, isn't that useful? Weekly plan, daily planning notes. Oh, that's very good. Let's pop this off. Oh, that's very useful. So every page is the same. You've got every day of the week there. That's great. Oh, isn't this pretty? Oh, that's lovely. You could attach this to your journal with a piece of thread through the loop at the top there. That's really pretty with the rose theme again. Oh, these looks like little vintage style parchment pieces. I love these sorts of things. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you know I do love parchment. It's so versatile. You can use it to layer things up and create collage effects. It's lovely, and these are beautiful. I think there's lots of each. There are 3 different designs. This one is like a coupon book, and this one as well. These are beautiful, and the other thing that's nice about this is that the level of detail is maintained. You don't lose it just because it's on a parchment style piece of paper. Ooh, large stamps. These are all the different designs that you get on the back, shown here. This packet is open at the side. I didn't do that. I wasn't trying to sneak early peeks, honestly. And, oh, aren't they pretty? These are stickers. Let me show you. There we go. So they have this protective backing on them. I hope you can see how thin and fine that paper is. They're beautiful. And as you can see how many I've got here. This is a very pretty sticker sheet. I'm going to get some white cards so I can show you it properly. So there are all these beautiful old-fashioned roses, and then there are little phrases here as well. That says red rose. Red rose stands for love, yellow rose stands for nobility. They're nice sentiments, aren't they? That's a little bit different. Ah, this is lovely. So Amanda always has one of these little sticker sheets. Let me just show you that that is on a clear background, see-through background. Transparent background? You know what I'm trying to say. Oh wow, and then beautiful papers. I'm going to flip through these so you can see them in all their glory. I love these colours of the roses. They work really well with the sepia colour of the background. They're lovely. So now I'm going to take all of these elements and I'm going to make something with them. I haven't quite decided yet, and then I'll show you what I've made. This is what the whole kit looks like when everything's laid out on a table. You can see just how much you get in the kits. And this is what I've made using the elements of the kit. I've taken one of the envelopes, it's the one that held the washi tape, and I've covered the front of it using one of the large sheets from the collection. I've cut out a piece just to cover the front pocket, then I've cut out a piece to cover the top. I've popped a little hole in there and I've threaded through some thread, and onto that I've put that rather pretty little thing with the rose on it. And I've also taken one of the rose stickers that was from the sticker sheet. I've just popped it on the side there for a little bit of extra interest and texture. And then I've taken 3 of the pieces that were in this long box. I've added one of the rose stickers there. I've ripped up some of the washi tape and just popped it on the top to give it some colour. And then these will sit inside the pocket that you've created. And you can add that pocket to a journal, just glue it on the back using your glue pen, and you've got a really nice little piece for your journal. I hope that's given you some ideas for how you can use your kit, and I'm going to say thanks very much for your time. Thank you for watching, as always, and until we meet again, stay safe and take care.